and Big Train. Our tale of the tape for this lightweight collision. Big Train is 21. Assassin.
Ready to fight?
Big Train.
Ready.
And here we go.
Fight scheduled for 3 5-minute rounds.
Man, he can't take too many of those body shots. The huge head kick is blocked. Nice roundhouse kick to the body.
Oh!
High kick! He hurt him!
Wow! Oh, hammer fist!
Wow, that's a big head kick.
This could be it!
Nice uppercut.
Big straight punch.
He did a nice job blocking the head kick. Big Train with the inside leg kick. He lands a head kick.
Hard straight punch. Big power in those kicks. Oh, very nice. Again with a solid kick to the body. Lands a hard kick. Oh, stunning jab.
Oh, that's a heavy body kick. Boom, big uppercut.
Wow, he is getting off some massive kicks.
Oh, left hand.
I like how he mixes that up, Mike. I just think there's so many more options.
Great jab by Assassin.
Left kick to the body.
Misses with the kick. Good striking. Assassin's blocked that strike.
Head kick.
Nicely done.
Look at that, he went for an axe kick.
Under a minute in the round. Big Train with a kick to the midsection.
Oh!
Both men throwing frequently. And he connects with the left.
Good inside leg kick.
Excellent job of timing these combinations.
Goes for the head kick, but doesn't connect.
Final seconds of the first round. He's got him hard.
He's
Wow!
He's down.
That's the end of round number 1. Big Train's nearly finished it.
Ready to fight? Ready.
Inside leg kick.
Beautiful combination.
He missed on that jab. Big straight by Big Train. Joey's doing a good job with those leg kicks, and they're going to slow his opponent. Joey, take a quick look at the numbers, and we target the leg kicks.
Tagged him.
He scores with the knee.
To the body. Good body shot. Could hear it at our broadcast position.
Man, that was a perfect counter punch.
Oh, nice body kick.
Big Train's continuing to target that cut.
He certainly is. He's absolutely targeting that cut, and that is going to open up even wider now. Looks for that front kick, but missed it.
That huge head kick was blocked. Very nice leg kick by Big Train.
They are exchanging here, Mike.
Tried to time a straight right.
Oh, nice body kick. He's starting to land those kicks to the body.
Absolutely.
That bruise on his torso is getting really nasty.
Solid left by Big Train.
Under 2. Trying to go to the body.
There's a kick to the body.
Solid kicks tonight. And another good shot to the body jump. He's really starting to do some significant damage. Oh, he lands the roundhouse to the body. Able to just get out of the way.
Oh!
45 seconds remain in the round.
Huge kick to the body.
30 seconds. Combination.
Body kick, look at that.
And with the knee.
That punch had knockout written all over it.
You ready to fight? Ready?
5 minutes remains.
Joe, we're coming off a pretty good round. It'd be great to see more of the same as the fight continues.
Decent action in that last round, and yes, I would like to see more of the same in this next.
Oh, head kick to kick.
Oh, nasty right hand.
Oh, big body kick.
Oh, and he goes up top with a kick. Here's a
scores
hard
with a
shot
huge
with the
left.
left. Oh! Wow! Oh, big right hand clipped him. Hard diving punch.
He's on his feet. Solid shot to the body.
Oh, nice kick to the liver. You can tell that body shot hurt him bad.
Big takedown. That punch had knockout written all over it. Joe, good kick to the body by Big Train.
Very nice kicks.
Assassin with an inside leg kick. Man, he's eating some heavy kicks. His right thigh is really starting to bruise up.
That connected.
Big hook, swing and a miss.
Trying to get that clinch. There
Oh, look at that. Oh, very nice.
Big combination.
Head kick.
Big power jam.
Hard straight.
Oh, that
punch.
rocked him.
Wow.
Big head kick, and he knocked him down.
Oh, that hammer fist.
He's
down.
all over.
Outstanding.
Yeah.